Hi there everyone on YouTube, this is Geoff from geoffmobile.com. Today I am doing a quick vlog with my Insta360 One X in low light. This time I'm using manual settings and I'm using ISO 800 and shutter speed of 1/30. So a very slow shutter speed, but because I'm holding the camera pretty steady, there shouldn't be too much blurring in the image. Anyway, what I want to talk about today is last night as I was falling asleep, I had this amazing idea about a new way to use the Insta360 One X. Because I've done a lot of cooking videos in 360 video, and I've had some comments that people who watch it in virtual reality feel like they are too close to me, because I put the light stand right next to me and I stand really close to the camera. I think one way to eliminate that uncomfortable sort of in my personal space problem would be to mount my new camera, the Insta360 One X, on a baseball cap on my head. So the idea is I'll get one of those baseball caps that has a GoPro mount on the rim of the hat that sticks out like this, and then I'll take the Insta360 One X and I'll put it facing this way so that the lenses are on the top and the bottom, and the lens should poke out over top of the brim, allowing people who watch the video to see what I'm doing below in the kitchen. It's kind of like a point of view or first person view of my cooking video. So I believe I'll be one of the first people online to make such a cooking video using this camera, and I've ordered the baseball cap and the GoPro mount for this camera, and it should arrive in about a month. So I'm looking forward to doing that experiment with this camera and doing my first cooking video hands-free using the baseball cap method. And another thing I really want to do is take our son for a walk in the park and use the camera to film the walk without having to hold the camera, because the thing is I haven't been able to use my cameras outside very much because I'm always holding our son or pushing him in the stroller, so I can't actually hold a stabilizer with the camera. But because this Insta360 One X has such good stabilization, you don't really need a stabilizer, and as long as I don't walk too fast or make too many sudden movements with my head, it should make a very smooth walk. So that'll be quite exciting to go for a walk around the beautiful park and see how that works also with the baseball cap mount for Insta360 One X. If you're interested in which hat and which mount I bought, I'll put the links below. They're from Amazon.com, so I live in Canada, so I had them shipped to Canada. Had to pay a little bit extra for shipping, but the price was still quite reasonable. I think I spent a total of about $50 Canadian on these two accessories, and so that'll be quite exciting. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this vlog. For more videos from me, please click the subscribe button below, and hope you have a great day. This is coming to you in 360 degree 5.7K using log mode. I've been editing these videos using Adobe Premiere. There's a really amazing no-stitch workflow for this camera that if you have Adobe Premiere, you don't have to wait for the camera to stitch, because it will do all the stitching as you render out the video, which saves a lot of time. So very nice workflow. I've definitely been enjoying using this camera and learning about it. For more videos, please click the subscribe button and leave your comments below. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!